From this video we shall learn few of the MCQ questions along with the answers of artificial intelligence and Power BI. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. What is common flow of activity in Power BI? First, create a report in Power BI mobile, share it with the Power BI desktop, view and interact in the Power BI service. Second, create a report in Power BI service, share it to Power BI mobile, interact with it in Power BI desktop. Option C, bring data into Power BI desktop and create a report, share it to the Power BI service, view and interact with reports and dashboards in the service and Power BI mobile. Option D, bring data into Power BI mobile, create a report and then share it to the Power BI desktop. And the right answer is bring data into Power BI desktop, create a report, share it to the Power BI service, view and interact with reports and dashboards in the service and Power BI mobile. Which of the following are building blocks of Power BI? A. Tiles, dashboards, databases, mobile devices. B. Visualization, datasets, reports, dashboards, tiles. C. Visual Studio, C hash and JSON files. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is visualization, datasets, reports, dashboards and tiles. A collection of ready-made visuals pre-arranged in dashboards and reports is called what in Power BI? The canvas, scheduled refresh, an app, all of the above. The right answer is an app. It is called as an application. What type of expression do you use to extract data from Microsoft SQL Server? A. DIX, B. TSQL, C. MDX, D. All of the above. The right one is TSQL. You are creating a Power BI report with data from an Azure analysis service cube. When the data refreshes in the cube, you would like to see it immediately in the Power BI report. How should you connect? Option A, import. Option B, TSQL. Option C, live connection. Option 3, all of the above. The right answer is live connection. What can you do to improve performance when you are getting data in the Power BI? What can you do to improve performance when you are getting data in Power BI? Option A, use query folding. B, only pull data into the Power BI service, not Power BI desktop. C, use the select SQL statement in your SQL queries when you are pulling data from a relational database. D, combine date and time columns into a single column. The right answer is use query folding. What is the risk of having null values in a numerical column? That means when you are having a column in which you are going to store only the numerical values, in that if you store the null values, what is the risk? Option E, the function sum of data will be incorrect. The function max of a data will be incorrect. The function average of data will be incorrect. All of the above. The right answer is The function average of data will be incorrect, because when we find the sum, just a 0 will be added, because the null in the sense 0. Max, in that also it doesn't affect, whereas when we consider average, it will be affecting. If you have two queries that have different data but the same column headers, you want to combine both tables into one query with all the combined rows. Which operation should you perform? Option A, append. Option B, merge. Option C, combine column. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is append. Which of the following selections are not best practice for naming conventions in Power BI? A. Rename columns to have spaces in them. B. Abbreviate column names. C. Replace values that have integers with human readable results. All of the above. The right answer is abbreviate column names. What does data granularity mean? A. Data granularity is the filter direction that is associated with the relationship between two columns. B. Data granularity is the level of detail that is represented in the data. C. Data granularity is many-to-many relationship. D. Data granularity is a type of schema design. Right answer is data granularity is the level of detail that is represented in the data. These are the few multiple choice questions along with answer of artificial intelligence and Power BI. Like the video, share the video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Subscribe to the channel.